Welcome to Naresh IT Labs. So in this particular video, we will be discussing about how to create a Java project, and then we will be discussing about how to create a package, and then we will be discussing about how to create a class in Java. So I would be opening the Eclipse, and already I have logged in into the Eclipse. Now in order to create a project, we can go to File, New, and then we can select the option as Java project here. So selecting the project, select the Java project, click on next, and here you can give the project name. So let's say I want to give the project name as Java Basics, and nothing to do here. So here simply I'm clicking on finish button. So here you will get this particular dialog box. You can either click on no or open perspective. I'm clicking on no, and this is how the project will be created in Java. So let me show you how we can delete the project. Right click, and then there is option called delete, and then here I want to delete from my local computer also. I'm selecting this, click on OK. So the project will be deleted. So the second way of creating a project is here there is an option called create a project. Click on this. It will be displaying this particular dialog box where I'm selecting the Java project here, or you can go to Java. From here you can select the Java project either from here or from here. Click on next button, and here we will be giving the project name, let's say Java concepts, and simply hit on finish button. So here again the same dialog box, I can either click on no or open perspective. I'm clicking on no button. So here if you see on your left hand side there is a project called Java project which is created. So you can give the project name anything. It can be Java concepts, or it could be sample, it could be anything. Now the second thing is how to create a package. If you go to right click on this particular project, and then there is option called new, and here there is option called package here. Okay, so click on this, and here you can give the name of the package. So the package name can be anything, but some of the rules of creating a package is package name should always start with lowercase. So if you start with uppercase, it will throw you an error. So it will throw you a warning. So let's say if I am giving the package name as sample. So here on the top, if you see discourage package name, by convention package name usually start with lower cases. It's just a warning. You can still create, but I would prefer to give the package name as starting with lowercase. I'm going to say Java basics. So you can also have a dot in between. Underscore can be given, but the people, they either prefer to give the package name with the dots in between or without any special characters. So click on finish button, and this is how the package would be created. Now how do you delete a package? Right click on this, click on delete, deleting package. Okay, so the package will be deleted. And let me go and create it back. Right click, new package, and I'm giving the package name as Java Basics. Finish button. Now under this package, I would like to create some class. So which is for writing some Java code. So right click on this, new, and here there would be option called class. Click on class. So here you need to give the name of the class. So always better to give the name of the class starting with uppercase. If you give with lowercase, it will throw you a warning. So with that, I'm giving the package name as uppercase. I will say like first Java program. So here we need to select public static void main. So later in our further videos, we are going to discuss about what do you mean by public static void main later. As of now, for every Java class you create, I'm going to select public static void main. So click on finish button and you could see that class which is created here. Thank you for watching.